Firmware 2.43 provides flexible management of gimbal parameters with the use of an external control unit. In this video, we will demonstrate the new performance capabilities by adjusting the remote console Turnigy 9X to manage various functions, which are useful for survey purposes. We have matched the required control elements of the console to 8 channels. We have connected the receiver to the gimbal with one cable to RC roll plug and have chosen the sum PPM input. The receiver is used only for gimbal control, which is why it is powered by the controller. We sealed the jumper J1 to accomplish this. Now we will check correspondence of control element to channels. To do that, we appoint receiver channels to all control channels. On the Monitoring tab, we can see the reaction to changes in the control elements. We register the obtained results. They are as follows. When all the channels have been identified, we disconnect them and start system adjustment to match channels and required functions. Open RC tab. Select the first channel to yaw axis control. Set the second channel to pitch axis control. Set the fourth channel to roll axis control. Roll axis control be used for horizontal adjustment, which is why we set low speed for this axis. Let's configure 3 profiles. The first profile will function in lock mode. Save settings of the first profile. They'll be used as a basis to adjust the other 2 profile settings. Proceed to the second profile and upload settings from the file. Switch on follow, pitch, yaw. Rename the profile as follow. Proceed to the third profile. Upload settings from a file and switch on follow for all axes. Rename the profile as follow all. Proceed to Adjustable Variables tab and adjust the rest of the console functions. Set the left upper potentiometer speed to follow for pitch and yaw. Choose slot 1, channel 7, follow speed pitch. Register parameters. Rotate the potentiometer. The result is displayed in GUI. Now it is essential to set the working range. We need a range from about 20 to 100. Set the sliders, register, and check the obtained result. To do that, rotate the potentiometer from the minimum to the maximum position. Follow the same steps to adjust speed for yaw. Choose slot 2, channel 7, follow speed yaw. Now let's adjust parameter follow deadband for the left lower potentiometer. We will use slot 3, channel 8. Set the working range approximately from 0 to 120. The next step will be to set RC speed. Choose slot 4, channel 3, RC speed pitch. Set the working range approximately from 0 to 100. Follow the same steps to adjust RC speed for yaw. Now let's adjust the 3-position switch to switch between profiles. Trigger control type will be used. Choose slot 1, channel 5. Set the switch in every position. You can see through GUI the way values change. Let's specify a profile for each position. Let's switch over again. Every action of the switch is displayed in GUI. The last operation, let's adjust the 2-position switch to toggle the motors on and off. Slot 2, channel 6, motors toggle on-off will be used. Now let's check gimbal settings. Check the speed of control. Set the minimum speed with stick. As you can see, when stick is in full decline, panning is very slow. We can control the gimbal under fixed speed. Now let's increase the speed. The gimbal is controlled with higher speed. We can also change speed when in motion. Tilt the stick to the left and to the right to adjust the horizon. Check starting and stopping of the motors. To do that, use non-fixed switch. Press once to stop the motors. Press again to start them. Switch profile with the use of the 3-position switch. Lock profile is the first position. Follow profile is the second position. Let's check the adjustment of run speed. Increase the speed. Adjust the deadband with the use of the switch. Now the deadband is at 0. Set it to maximum. Camera is fixed in the same position. Follow mode starts to function only in case of significant decline.